Hey yo, what's good everyone, bro? It's your boy Drizzy146, bro. And I'm trying to one take juice this because I'm trying to post this as fast as possible because I know people want this. So basically, bro, I'm gonna teach y'all how to create this real fast. Or actually, I don't even know, like 5 minutes or so. Alright, so first, what you wanna do is you wanna have both of these apps, alright? You want Magic Eraser and I can't even see it, but y'all can see it on the screen, alright? I think it's called Photofox, right? I think that's what it's called. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to open Photofox, right? And you want to click on the photo in the pack that I gave you guys. And you want to like find like this plain background. It only has like a strip of the windows, like the Windows taskbar on it. So once you find it, right? This is literally going to be your base for all your icons, all like your widgets, your everything, bro. Like this is what you're going to use, bro. So you want to open an image, right? Any icon, right? Or any icon that I gave you. You want to maybe like zoom it down a little bit, right? And then export it, of course. I'm talking over this video, so it's going slower than what I'm saying. But yeah, you guys could leave a like and subscribe, bro. I'll really be happy. You feel me? Like make my day. All right, so then what you want to do is you want to go to shortcuts, right? You want to add an action. So it's probably it's open app. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's called open app. All right. So you go ahead and choose any app, man. The app that you want. I'm pretty sure I chose Authenticator for it, just because I need a random app. Yeah. All right, so you want to name it something like for your like shortcut name it something like that you'll remember the app, because if you get a new phone, you can transfer it over. All right, so this is where you actually name it. So what you want to do is just name it the app or anything that you're going to remember it by. But I usually go on like some third-party website to get a cool font. So what you want to do is go in Photos, go ahead and put the you know what I'm saying, the photo on there for the icon, right? Then for the get the cool font, you know what I'm saying, you want to go on Instagram, not go on Instagram, but you want to type in Instagram fonts, and this first website that comes out has like this good like font that like matches the whole entire theme, right? I don't know how far it is down, but I know it's really thin, so like you'll probably be able to notice it. But it's like this thin one. It's like this sans serif. It's fire. It matches it. All right, so you know what I'm saying, want to do the same thing I already explained. I already have it named, so you want to just copy and paste it and then put that icon that I gave you in there, and then it will match the background automatically, and boom, you can just move it wherever you want. Hey, yo, if you came from TikTok, bro, say TikTok gang. I just want to know. All right, so I'm about to show you guys how to like make the icon match, even if I like didn't give it to you. Like if it's not a transparent background. This is what this app is for, right? So let's say you want to use this like pill, right, in the pack. What you want to do is lower the tolerance a little bit. We'll lower it. I know I'm like making it go up. I'm talking over the video. I did it before. But make the tolerance go down. And then tap all like the little space that you don't want to make it transparent, right? You want to make sure that you like get all the white lines, because it will show like the background's red, so you will see the white lines. So you want to make sure you tap and just make it clean. I know I'm not really doing it as clean because I'm rushing. I'm trying to get this video posted. Download it, right? Once you download, you want to open Photofox. And that same image should be there. You want to hold on the image, like on the right, where like right next to that plus sign, and drag it down into the trash can. Then you want to open the image that you just made transparent. Go ahead and do the same process. You lower it, then you save it and export it to your camera roll. And then once you do that, it's the same like over and over again. Like, it's easy. It's just you have to just not consistently, but you just do it all the time. Like, you just do it like for this whole entire like theme, and then boom, that's basically it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to do like the widgets. So what you want to do is, in the pack that I gave you, once you download it to your phone, you want to crop it like to whatever widget you want. Like, I didn't make these widgets. Shout out to the person who made it, but like, this is what I was inspired by to make my phone look like this. So you crop this one, right? This is the one I chose. You can clearly see I have the other ones already on my phone, but crop it, right? Once you crop it, you're literally just going to do that same process again. Like, you're going to go ahead and go in Photofox, delete them little perk 30 Molly, you know what I'm saying? Throw it in the gibbage, all right? Then you want to click image again. And then you go to, like, wherever you put it at. Like, wherever you put that little crop photo in, right? Lower it just a little bit, because you do not want the widget to be, like, curved. You want it to be like very like boxy to make it look like Windows XP or Windows 95 or whatever it's called. And then what you want to do is download a widget app. It don't matter which one. The one I have is photo something, I don't know. Create an album. And once you do that, you can name it whatever you want. And then load that same image, the new one that's on that same background, right? And then, boom. From there, like, you're basically, like, done with it. All you got to do is just add it to your home screen, which you hold or hard press it, your phone, right? In, like, no space. You go down to, like, wherever the app was or whatever, the app you used. You add the widget, and boom. Now you got a whole lot of red exe. I don't know what you want to call that, but yeah, you got it done. And if it doesn't show up on the first time, you want to edit the widget and make sure you chose the right album that like you created the photo in, and then that should solve it. It took me a long time to like get it all right, but yeah. But you can see that this is not fake, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's actually icons and widgets. So, yeah. Basically, from there, that's all you do. Like, all right, bro. So, I'm going to show you how to make the bottom bar icons. So, you either can get, like, the already made icon that I have and use that one. Or if you want to make your own, this is how you do it. So, if it's not a PNG, you want to go ahead and lower the tolerance and, like, subtract the background by just tapping on it. Then you want to go ahead and save it as a PNG, high resolution. And then you want to go into Photofox. From there, you're going to go ahead and remove everything that is in it. So go ahead and put that image on, but remove that background that is on there. Right? Then, in that pack, I gave you a darker red background. It stands out like from the others. That one right there. You want to put it lower than the image so it overlays on top. You want to export it. Then boom, you want to do the same thing that you've been doing this whole entire time. Go to shortcuts, add to home screen, name it whatever you want, and then just use that image. And then boom, now you got a bottom bar icon, a custom one at that, if you don't want to use the one that I pre-made. Like, if you want to use the ones that I pre-made, then you do not have to do none of this. All you have to do is just download it and go to shortcuts and do it. That's all you got to do. All right, so now I'm going to show y'all how to place the backgrounds. So the first background I gave you guys is like the one I made. So it's really nothing at all. It's just like placing a regular background. So what you want to do is just go into your Photos app or whatever you downloaded or saved the image at, right? And I don't know where it's at. I think it's in, I'm trying to find it right now. It's in Yeah, all right. I put in that album right there. So once you find it, all you gotta do is just fix it how you want. Like, that's pretty much it. It's just placing a background for this first one. The second one is a little different. So you want to make sure you like zoom in so it doesn't show that bottom bar at all. And then boom, just set it to your lock screen, and yeah, that's it. You got the vlone smiley on your lock. You feel me? For the home screen, on the other hand, you want to find that blank image that we've been using as the base, right? You want to use it as a wallpaper, and you want to place it right above where it says perspective zoom or motion and scale. You want to place it right above there. Not too thick or not. Don't zoom in too much, but like make it perfect, because it's gonna sit between the bait, like the bottom border, and then the dots right there, and it just sits perfectly right there. And then boom, that's pretty much it. You just repeat the same actions over and over and over and over and over again. And that's pretty much it, bro. Yo, like the video if you use this. Subscribe if you use this. Like, bro, please. Like, I have no life, bro. I have no life. I took the time out of my day to make this, bro, and you guys liked it. So just all you can do is just hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button, please. I'm begging you. Like, why haven't you hit it yet? Why haven't you hit it yet, bro? Hit the button, bro. Like, I'm telling you, just like how you like Instagram photos, just like how you like the TikTok, if you're coming from TikTok, just press the like button, press the subscribe button, bro. Thank you.